Some positive pandemic signs coming out of Africa. New confirmed COVID-19 infections there have dropped by 20% over the latest week of reporting compared to the previous week, and known fatalities are down by 8%.
For the first time since the start of this Omicron-fueled fourth wave, Africa is seeing a significant drop in new cases and a promising dip in reported deaths.
And the WHO's regional director for Africa says in South Africa, where the Omicron variant was first identified, a downward trend has now been recorded for the past 4 weeks. Infections are up, though, in North Africa. And she warns as the virus continues to circulate, further pandemic waves are inevitable.
While the impact of this latest peak has been moderate, the continent has yet to turn the tide on this pandemic, so there is no room for complacency.
To England, where the daily growth of infections is falling, ahead of plans set for next week to ditch some COVID restrictions. But new from the UK Health Security Agency on Friday, it's now investigating a sublineage of Omicron, saying it could have a growth advantage. Over to France, some coronavirus rules will be lifted starting early next month. Work from home guidance will be eased, and nightclubs will be able to open soon after, with the country's PM saying the COVID situation there is improving. A vaccine pass, though, will be needed to get into places like restaurants and theaters. Other parts of the planet, though, are still seeing a surge, with record spikes in countries like Pakistan and Poland. Growth also being reported in Germany. That country topped 100,000 daily cases for the first time this week. And Japan seeing a record spike in infections that's now prompting new restrictions. Starting Friday in Tokyo and other hard-hit regions, restaurants and bars will close early. Omicron now spreading rapidly in major cities. Melissa Duggan, City News.